Attempt at a formation flight with Alan. Here we go. Yeah, so if you take off in your own time, mate. Right, I've overtaken and braking off. Right, I'm going back up the strip again. So if you do a gentle left turn, yeah, you turn, yeah, that's good. Right, I'm braking off to the right. Right, I'll reacquire you in a second. Yeah, I've got you. Yeah, start your turn. I'm clear. Oh no, no. Yeah, are you flying up the strip again now? Are you flying down the strip again now, yeah? Right. Oh, right. I'm probably in front of you, I think, yeah? Right. I'll do a nice big circuit. I'll do it relatively low down as well, yeah? Yeah. Oh, can you see me? Am I in front or behind? Right, I'll go for another circuit. Right, yeah, no problem. Ah, I've got you, I've got you. Yes. Yeah, I've got you. I'm currently tracking along at 47 miles an hour. Right, I'm clear. I'm going to bear right and come round behind you again. Can't see at the moment. Just as when you're tracking back up the field. Alright, am I in front of you again, yeah?
Yeah, you can.
Right. Right, I'm going to bear left. I've got you. I think this will be the last pass I can do because we're down at 10.5 volts. Right, I'm downwind for landing. Base. Turning finals, yeah. Yeah. Going in at 40 mile an hour. Whoa, let's get the speed off a bit. Whoa, there we go. Ooh. That was appalling for landing, I'm afraid. No, I was committed, but I don't think we're going to get yeah. 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 Yes. No, successfully got right down to the far end of the patch without managing to make a turn. Oh, that's it. We've landed. I'll be back in a few minutes. And off.